Hi, I'm Darryl from DTec Dash Cam installation company in London, private hire and hackney carriage CCTV specialist. Here today on a 3-camera system, TFL approved for private hire and hackney carriage. This one has 3 cameras, a front one facing the bonnet for insurance, an interior one capturing everyone inside, and then a rear one on the back glass capturing anyone who comes up behind you, with 2 audio buttons, one there and one in the back. The purpose of the audio buttons is if you have a customer in the car talking a bit of rubbish to you, you can press the front one. The red light comes on to indicate audio is now being recorded. And for fairness, same for the back passenger. If they feel the driver is speaking inappropriately, they can turn their audio on as well. This is what it looks like. So that's the cabin one, the interior facing. Capture everyone getting in and out. Your front facing, and then your rear. Obviously at the moment got the boot open, so it's just showing the air at the moment. And that's it, all TFL approved. Unit has been placed in here into the little storage cubby with a privacy switch, so if you want to turn the system off you can. And that's it.